you. Na-miss ko mag-unboxing, guys. Ayan, matagal yung last na in-unbox ko sa inyo. I think December or January. Which is, unboxing is sinali ko na sa aking content dito sa aking YouTube channel. So, before I proceed, bago natin buksan ito, ayan, it's me again, Beta Glassy. And kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, please do support me by hitting the subscribe and smash the notification bell and select all na rin so that you'll get notified if I have a new video. Keep on watching! Konting intro lang tayo bago natin buksan itong pinadala ni Toni Gonzaga at ni Alex Gonzaga. Charot-charot. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, so mag-unbox na tayo. Where is it? Ayan, tabingi pa yung lamesa ko. Pero yung unboxing natin ngayon is hindi jewelry, guys. It's from online. Order ko to sa online. It's from Shopee. Shopee. Ayan, Shopee. Shopee delivery. Cash on delivery. Ayan. So, this one is from Happy Cup. Ayan. So, since nakita ko or in-advertised ni Happy Cup na nag-shop na rin sila ng kanilang milk tea through Shopee delivery. Ayan. So, it's summer na. Summer. So, gusto ko siyang tikman and gawin at home. Kaya, try ko nag-order and within, I think, 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. Since the day I order is dumating naman. Kadarating lang kanina and excited na ako na yan back sa inyo kasi gusto ko na siyang gawin, naiinom na ako, ang init-init na, it's summer na. So, ayan, it's Happy Cup, courier, Shopee, ayan, cash on delivery, and this one is, what I order is, 2 flavor. Ito yung na-advertise nila na DIY milk tea set. Ayan, so in order ko is matcha and cookies and cream. Ayan, na yung per set is 320 per set. Good for 4 person. Oh, matcha pala, tsaka Okinawa. Ayan, kasi yung lagi ko nakikita. Ayan, matcha and Okinawa. And I paid this for 725 kasi may shipping fee na 85 pesos dito sa amin. Alright. Miss ko mag-unbox, guys. Eh, syempre lang kasi na mag-order ako online kung wala pa akong need na bibilhin online. So, unboxing. Yung courier pala is through JNT. Ayan. Di ba parang recently na-issue yung JNT? So, I think maayos-ayos na sila ngayon, guys. Oh, so yung black is parang lang. Itong black na plastic is parang protector siya. Ayan, so that's the real one. Milk tea. Mahal ng milk tea, no? Mahal ng milk tea. Yung last na milk tea namin ng mga anak ko sa Macau Imperial. Mahal. 195 yata yun. Yung 25 ohms. Ayan siya. Taran! I love it! So, nakita ko rin to sa IG, sa Instagram ni Toni Gonzaga. Nilagay niya doon sa stories na ayan, no? Ganyan yung mga order and then sinusulatan nila ng okay. So, hands-on sila sa kanilang business. Sana all. Where to open? Since it's plastic naman, I'm going to tear it off like this. Ay, ang cute. Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh. So, isa lang muna, guys. Wow. So, ganito siya, guys. Look, oh. Happy Kit. Tama. The Happy Kit with the ribbon in it. Thank you. Ano lang pala siya, maliit lang na ganyan. Pag tinitingnan sa ano, parang malaki. Kakamis mag-unbox and it's summer na. And, syempre, hindi na rin ako nagbasa ng ano kasi since kay Toni Gonzaga naman eh. Tsaka kay Alex. So, it's like this, guys. Ganyan-ganyan. So, eto is yung procedure, yung method, paano mo siya timplahin. Ayan. So, andyan, nag-vlog ako, it's manok time. Ayan. So, it's really from them, guys. Kasi, ayan sila. Ayan yung anong tawag dito, flyers. And then, ayan, very legit. Ayan, it's from them. Ano pa siya. Naka-sealed siya. Parang ayaw punitin. Ayan, pinunit ko na. Ayan siya. So, what's inside? Ayan, manok. Sige, pasok. So, what's inside is, yung isang Happy Kit na ganito is, I said a while ago, it's for 4 person. So, 5 straw inside and, this cup, this size of cup. What size is this? Moyen, 16 ounce. So, the cup is 16 ounce. Ayan. With the cover. And this one is the tapioca. Yeah, this one is the tapioca. And then, what's this? The asam. The asam tea. Yung tea. And then, this one is the milk tea powder. Ayan. So, apat siya. Apat siya, guys. And the brown sugar. And so, this is what inside ng Happy Kit ng Happy Cup. Ayan. So, this one is the Okinawa. This one is the Okinawa. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I love it. It's very, very secured. Walang damage. Walang nayupe. Very hinandle ng courier. Ayan. So, JNT. Ayan. So, this one is the Okinawa. And, open natin itong isa. Okinawa, Japan. Okinawa. Ayan. So, ayan. May milk tea na ako at home, DIY. And it's not just milk tea. It's from Happy Cup. Nila Toni Gonzaga and Alex Gonzaga. O, diba? Social. May milk tea ka na sa bahay. And so, timplan ko, guys. Timplan ko na hindi ko na papakita how I timpla. Because may instruction na siya. So, with the ribbon. Ayan. Very cute. I think this one is the matcha. Same. Ayan. Pareho. Ayan. So, the instruction. Pareho sila ng isa. Ayan. May remembrance na ako sa kanila. Flyers nila. And, ano. Oh, diba social? Social. Ayan. Naka-paste ulit. Para nakakapanghinayang punitin, ano. Ayan. So, it's matcha. Same. Kompleto. 4 na straw. With the sugar and the cups and the matcha. Ayan siya. So, thank you. Ayan, mainit na guys. So, magtimpla na ako. Unahin ko itong matcha kasi matcha is my favorite. Ayan, so, shout out to you, Justin and Giselle. Ayan, I have a milk tea at home na. Hindi lang kayo yung nagme-milk tea sa bahay. Timpla lang ako guys, ha. So, wait guys, ha. Kasi yung instruction pala is, I need to cook the pearls. Ayan. So, first is boil the water and then, cook. Cook na yung pearl. Yung pearl, pero, i-boil ko pa siya, i-recook ko siya, within, 10 minutes. Ayan. So, okay. Gawin ko muna, guys. Charan! Welcome back! Ayan, nagawa ko na siya. Nakapagtimpla na ako, guys. Ng 16 ounce matcha. So, madali lang siya gawin, guys. Mix-mix mo lang siya. Andyan yung instruction. I-boil mo lang yung yung tea. Yung aroma niya. Ayun. Sa tea pala yung nangangamoy milk tea, ano? So, awesome. Awesome. Ayun. So, tikman na natin, guys. Ayan. Ayan.
So, ang tinira ko is yung matcha.
I love it, guys. So, may happy cup na ako sa bahay. Ayan. So,
Takpan natin.
Hindi na ako pupunta sa SM Pipila. Ayan. So, ayan. Kung gusto niyo mag-order, so, binili ko ito, guys, Gusto niyo rin umorder para may DIY milk tea kayo sa bahay. Nasa Shopee na sila, guys. Ayan. And it's yummy. And guys, masarap siya. And hello. Enjoy. Serve with happiness. Happy cup. Sarap siya, guys. Ayan. So, eto ang unboxing natin ngayon. It's summer na. And usong-uso ang milk tea. Ayan. And, it's better na wag nyo na rin lagyan ng sugar, guys. Or, it's up to you then kung gusto nyo lagyan ng sugar. But, after that, we need to drink plenty of water. Ayan, kasi matamis. Alalahanin nyo yung mga sugar sa katawan natin. Ayan, so, thank you for watching. At sana nagustuhan nyo itong unboxing natin ngayon. And milk tea natin ngayon. Bye! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.